Alright, Mantronic Studios presents a 2012 movie review rebuttal from
Fabubu, Double O. And man, you know what? I hear that ADV2K1 gave the movie a 6 and Scratimus gave it a 5.
ADV2K169.
Oh, yeah, your 6s and 7s. Well, anyways, so, you know, I saw the movie just now, and I saw it with my dear mom, so props, I get automatic points for that. And the movie is John Cusack. That's an automatic 8, alright? I don't care, man. He does kick ass as an actor. And, I mean, mind-blowing CGI. Hands down, alright? That's a given. But I did enjoy the story, you know, and indeed, I enjoyed the most the character development. Here you have Cusack, who's very creative character, very, you know, the very non-linear type, you know, and there's also Steve, I think the doctor, you know, he's a very linear character, very his opposite, you know, and the ex-wife who's, you know, probably having I'm not sure of life, and the kids as well, the daughter and the son, you know, I mean the daughter's a total adventurer, which goes well with an adventurous father figure like Cusack, and the kid also, he was a prick because Cusack wasn't a consistent father. So I mean, they had beautiful character development throughout this whole movie, and so I give this movie a flat out 10. You know, I was happy with it. I saw it with my mom. She was happy with it. We walked out of the theater hand in hand. I mean, it was beautiful, y'all. And you know, Scratimus, you know, ADV2K16/626, you know, you guys, I mean, come on, man, you guys are harsh. You got to give the love on movies, man.
Well, we thought it was entertaining. We don't deny that entertaining aspect of it. It's just we don't think it was that good of a movie.
Oh, okay.
We've seen this movie act before, you know, and all the other disaster action movies.
Okay, well, to be fair, I am very liberal in giving 10s now, aren't I? I think the last string of 5 movies I've given straight 10s, so, okay, maybe you guys are right there. But still, man, you know, I give this movie a 10, and I stand by that. All right?
Now, what do you think of the ending?
Well, you know what? I had no idea what the ending was going to be all about, and I thought it was spaceships to space. I didn't think, you know, you know, because technology today, I figure, you know, who builds a boat? Honestly, who has navies? You know, right? You know, so I thought they were going out into space, you know, but I liked that. I was surprised. I loved how the whole theme of Chinese can do anything, you know, where here we are in America, we can't even build a big dig in Boston within the time frame allotted, you know, so I love this movie. It was great, but I have to sign off, you all, and so...
Now, I think the 2012, the aftermath, when the people are trying to survive and do make a new society, that would make a much more interesting and better movie.
Well, maybe that could be the sequel. But that said, I really have to go, you all. So it was fun. From Baba Double O. Ow!
That's another episode of Mantronic Studios.
Excellent. I was.